Life is full of these annoying little challenges that make things complicated. All of these issues from the first world might quickly destroy your day. Fortunately, there are tons of helpful DIY life hacks and advice on the internet for you. These life hacks are ingenious strategies, methods, or procedures that simplify routine activities. They can also be seen as original, impromptu responses to everyday issues. A real life hack is straightforward and uncomplicated. So, in today's video, we will be discussing what happens to your body when you eat a banana and an avocado every day. Before we go further into the video, be kind enough to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on new videos. 1. Recover from migraine. You have a migraine, yet it's difficult for you to get to the drugstore. No issue at all. Just give this easy trick a shot. Get a basin of ice-cold water, submerge your hands, and then gently flex them in the water for how long you can stand it. Your severe headache or migraine should go away after that. 2. Evenly heated meals. We've all had to reheat food in the microwave at some point, and many of us have had to repeatedly reheat food in the oven to get it to the proper temperature. Here is a quicker method to uniformly heat the food. Before placing the food in the microwave, simply space out a circle in the center, almost creating the appearance of a huge donut. Ta-da! It's time to consume your dinner. 3. Water from boiling over. Ever started a pot of water on the stove to boil, needed to attend to something in another room, and feared the water would boil over? Simply cross the pot with a wooden spoon to stop it from boiling over. 4. Fix smelling microwave. When you open your microwave, is there a bad scent inside? Here's a quick tip for getting rid of the odor. All you need is a microwave-safe bowl, 2 lemons, and water. Lemon slices should be cut and added to a bowl of water, and then the bowl should be microwaved. Set the microwave to on and wait for around 5 to 6 minutes. The smell should disappear as a result. 4. Clean shower heads. Shower heads can get dirty rather frequently, and cleaning them safely can be difficult. Here's a quick trick to keep it tidy. Simply place some white vinegar in a plastic bag, fill it, and tie it to the shower head with the head submerged in the vinegar. Remove the bag after leaving it there for the night. You'd be shocked at how tidy it can get with no effort at all. Please spread the word about our article on 14 easy life hacks to your loved ones, and feel free to add more in the comment section if you liked it. And it's a wrap, guys. Thanks for sticking with us till the end of the video. Feel free to share your thoughts and other do-it-yourself life hacks with us in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our next video. Bye for now.